Welcome back to Jetline Marvel for another thrilling aviation episode. China consistently keeps aviation enthusiasts surprised with its advancements in fighter jets and other aircraft. Leading the pack in Asia, China continuously pushes boundaries in developing domestically built aircraft. Recently, images circulating on the internet revealed China's latest creation, the Z21 helicopter. Resembling its predecessor, the Z10, this helicopter boasts enhanced fighter capabilities. The emergence of these images sparks questions regarding the fate of plans to acquire Russian-made Ka-52 attack helicopters, particularly the naval version. Observing the helicopter in flight, it shares design elements with the Harbin Z10, notably in the front fuselage and cockpit canopy. The wing stubs for weapon mounts exhibit similar shapes, though with less pronounced angular features. With a tandem seating arrangement, the Z21 also draws comparisons to the Mi-28, featuring an elongated body with 5 rotor blades and weapon bays on its sides. The unveiling of the Z21 has triggered speculation about its potential role in future military operations. Analysts suggest that beyond its firepower, its introduction could signal significant technological advancements. There's particular interest in whether China will incorporate a manned-unmanned teaming system akin to later Apache models, enabling the Z21 to control armed drones for reconnaissance and attacks, reducing risks to the helicopter itself. The emergence of the Z21 underscores China's increasing military prowess and its commitment to developing cutting-edge weaponry. Its deployment and capabilities will be closely monitored, especially concerning regional security dynamics. The helicopter presents a significant challenge to American-built Apache and other medium helicopters, boasting superior capacity for flying at higher altitudes and more powerful speed and combat capabilities, thus enhancing its effectiveness on the battlefield. On the other hand, amidst ongoing Indian border tensions, this aircraft is poised to play a crucial role in surveillance along the sensitive China border and beyond.